In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Technician here in Byte by Night on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, in order to unlock it, you're gonna need 1,600 scraps. You can earn these scraps by playing matches, completing objectives, and surviving, as well as just getting those daily rewards. But to buy it, go ahead and open up the shop on the left-hand sidebar. Go over to the Survivors tab, and you need to find Technician on here. You're gonna see it costs 1,600. It looks something like this. And Technician itself has some pretty balanced stats, so the focus is on its abilities right here: mask on, mask off, mask on phase, and static mirage. That main ability, mask, which you use Q to activate, it lets you phase through structures and escape tight spots, but it does have a cooldown and it disables your trap while active. While using the mask, you can press E to dash through obstacles, but it drains energy and it slows you after. But when you do turn the mask off, you can use your trap E and it places traps to slow down and stun the killer. The best strategy by far in the game right now is to use the mask to escape or reposition, turn it off, place traps behind you, and then set traps near objectives or along escape paths. As long as you play smart, manage stamina, and don't waste your abilities, that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.